ideia desse passeio é fazer um tour de caiaque aqui no Rio. Este que é o rio Wailua, um dos rios que são formados por um dos lugares mais molhados do planeta, né, aqui no Kauai. How you doing there? Great. Nice. E depois a gente utilizou os caiaques aqui por mais ou menos umas 2 milhas, uns 3,5 km. Aqui a gente subiu o rio, com o vento ao nosso favor, foi bem fácil. E nosso próximo obstáculo vai ser uma caminhada no meio da floresta. Eu não sei exatamente até que lugar, eu sei que a gente vai para uma cachoeira. Procurar saber direitinho, depois vou dar os detalhes todos aí na descrição do vídeo no YouTube. Aí, tá bem tranquilo hoje, nublado. Começa a querer e depois disso aí a gente vai tomar um banho de cachoeira, muito bem merecido. Aqui a galera do grupo do Daniel, cariocão, maluco perdido no Hawaii. A galerinha tá chegando, estacionando os caiaques. Tô igual aquela turma ali, ó. Vamos fazer uma caminhada de mais ou menos 1h30 aqui no meio da floresta. Muito irado. O lugar é muito incrível. Diferente. Você veio pro Hawaii pensando que só tinha praia, mar, mergulho. Aí. But this is not the mud park.
Yeah, we're not even at the mud part yet. This is the practice part. Yeah, this is the practice part. You got it. Guys, look right here. Notice the rock wall. This is one of the irrigation ditches I was talking about from when the Hawaiians used to live here. Most of this vegetation wasn't here. It was all cleared off. Yeah. 95% of the vegetation is not native to Hawaii. Hawaii is considered to be the invasive species capital of the world. I don't know if you guys knew that. Even some of the fish in the ocean here was brought in by from the Australian Great Barrier Reef. If you guys really want to see native plants nowadays, you have to go to the botanical gardens. I'm going to point out one native tree that we have in this whole entire hike.
Pois é, cara, que maluquice. Aí, se você pensava que o Hawaii era tudo sobre mar, água,
É montanha pra caramba. Sabe que a tradição do Havaí é caçar. Ser caçador, pescador,
só o começo. Eu tenho o leve sentimento que eu vou ficar aqui uma semana e eu não vou conseguir sequer coçar a superfície da ilha inteira, bicho, porque tem muita coisa pra fazer, muito legal.
Start feeding mud on their face when it's really muddy, guys. Do the warping. Good job, guys. Keep on moving. You had an adventurous trip today.
Such a good way to pass a honeymoon, huh?
Yeah. This is what brought us to Kauai, actually.
All right.
This trip.
Kukui nut tree. This is a kukui nut right here.
I heard about that nut.
Also known as the candle nut. You want it? I'll give it to you. It's also known as the candle nut. It has a flammable oil inside they use in the old days for lighting your tiki torches or making fire. And if you ever go to Luau, you see the man wearing the necklace with the shiny ones on it. That's what they look like once you polish them up. Only royalty and only the men were allowed to wear the kukui days. But now you can buy it at ABC store or Walmart. And it tastes just like a macadamia nut, but it has a medicinal purpose. Very powerful
Wow.
Because of the oils in it. So people like to bring it back home as a gift to their mother-in-law. Take it before you go on a hike. Good for energy. We call it the 1, 2, 3 nut in Hawaii. So you eat one, you're walking to the bathroom, 2 and you're running, and 3 is aloha. Hawaiian cleansing. And they fit good in the macadamia boxes, by the way.
Oh man, this is so mad.
They're good for air sickness. We're in a kayak.
Então, tá aí, estamos aqui, final da trilha, end of the trail.
Yeah,
Yeah, and this is
yeah.
such a beautiful waterfall.
I know. It does.
This is Kauai, my friend.
You take a vacation by yourself?
Yeah,
Oh,
pretty good, huh?
yeah. When do you go back?
1 week,
1 week? Yeah, we take 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah, we go to every island. We go like.
But I'm going to Philippines.
Oh, you Philippine net?
Yeah,
Okay.
after this one.
Oh.
Palau and then Philippines.
Oh.
And then I go back home
Yep.
to rest a little bit.
And now go back to work, huh?
Yeah, pay the bills.
Yep. You're right. Shut all the credit card and go.
Yeah, I just don't want to remember about credit
Yeah.
cards today.
I know.
Aí galera, fim da trilha, cachoeira, merecida.
Which one is, how much is called the tempura?
How much? Desce que caia devagar. Esse todo de alegria. Para no cavalo. Sai, gordo.